You talk to ChatGPT every day. What if that became your job? In this video, I'll show you how prompt engineering is turning normal people into high-value hires, and I'll break down exactly how you can do it too, even with no tech background. Prompt engineers don't code, they command. You craft smart instructions, and the AI generates results: websites, resumes, business plans, even full video scripts. If you can write, test ideas, and think in systems, you can learn this. And people are getting hired just for being really good at talking to machines. Now I know, maybe you're thinking, cool, but how do I start? Easy. Let me build your roadmap for you. Right after this video, go check the free beginner courses in the description. They'll teach you the basics, fast. Then, practice. Use ChatGPT to create something useful: an email, a brand idea, a YouTube title, anything. The goal is to fail fast and improve faster. And here's the trick to stand out. Save the best things you create. Build a mini portfolio. Show your prompts and what they produced. Then go update your LinkedIn, literally. Add prompt engineer to your title. Share one cool result. That's how recruiters find you. And if you're still unsure where to begin, stick around. At the end of this video, I'm dropping one ready-to-use prompt I built myself. You can copy it, tweak it, and start building results today. Think of it as your jumpstart, from zero to hired. Also, here's a move no one talks about. Train with AI. Ask ChatGPT to role-play as a hiring manager. Let it test you, then ask it how you did. You're not waiting to get picked. You're preparing before you even apply. Quick break. If you've ever used ChatGPT and thought that was actually pretty cool, hit that like button. You're already halfway to being a prompt engineer, you just didn't know it yet. So, what's the real takeaway? You're not competing with AI. You're learning to lead it. Prompt engineering is a skill that's new, real, and ridiculously valuable. No degree. No gatekeeping, just you, your brain, and a machine that listens. Comment where you're at, learning, practicing, or posting. I want to see who's taking this seriously. And if you're ready to go deeper, hit subscribe. This channel is your shortcut to staying ahead of the AI wave.